I have troubleshooting code B1A08 from my OBD reader, and I'm going to show you how to fix it, so you don't have to open your car door manually anymore. This code usually indicates a problem with the battery, so I'll show you step by step how to replace the key fob or fob battery within 2 minutes. This is being done on a Chrysler 300, but is so similar to other remotes for Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep. First, remove the actual key from the rest of your keyring by using your fingernail on the plastic switch. Flip it around and look here at the bottom. Grab a small flat tip screwdriver, or like one of those in a smartphone repair kit or eyeglass repair kit. Pry it up by the edge, then lift it up with your fingertips. Now you can see the battery. Next, use your flat tip and pry out the battery. If this has helped so far, please hit the like button. And let me know your thoughts about this video in the comments. Next, replace the battery with a new CR2032 battery. I'll put the battery and tools used in the description below for easy reference. Now to reinstall. Put the battery in plus side down. Grab the other cover and snap it into place. If this video was straight to the point, then please like and subscribe to keep learning new car hacks and tips and tricks. And feel free and check out the other many videos on this channel. Yes. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day or night.